Dear students, welcome to my channel Dr. V.R. PODILE'S MBA, BBA and Economics lessons. In this video, I am dealing with mechanics of report writing. Mechanics of writing a report. The points to be taken care so far as the mechanics of writing a report are concerned include 1. Size and physical design. The report is to be printed generally on A4 size paper. A margin of at least 1 and 1½ inches should be allowed at the left hand and of at least ½ an inch at the right hand of the paper. There should be 1 inch margins top and bottom. All typing should be 1.5 spaced or double spaced on one side of the page. 2. Procedure. Various steps in writing the report should be strictly adhered. 3. Layout. Keeping in view the objective and nature of the problem, the layout of the report should be thought of and adopted. 4. Treatment of quotations. Quotations should be placed in quotation marks and double spaced, forming an immediate part of the text. 5. The footnotes. The footnotes are meant for cross-references, citation of authorities and sources, acknowledgement and explanation of a point of view. The modern tendency is to make the minimum use of footnotes. Footnotes are placed at the bottom of the page. Footnotes are customarily separated from the textual material by a space of ½ an inch and a line about 1½ inches long. Footnotes should be numbered consecutively, usually beginning with 1 in each chapter separately. Footnotes are always typed in a single space, though they are divided from one another by double space. 6. Documentation style. Regarding documentation, the first footnote reference to any given work should be complete in its documentation, giving all the essential facts about the edition used. Such documentary footnotes follow a general sequence. 7. Punctuation and abbreviations in footnotes. The first item after the number in the footnote is the author's name given in the normal signature order. This is followed by a comma. After the comma, the title of book is given. The title is followed by a comma. Information concerning the edition is given next. This entry is followed by a comma. The place of publication is then stated. This entry is followed by a comma. Then the name of the publisher is mentioned and this entry is closed by a comma. It is followed by the date of publication. The entry is followed by a comma. Then follow the volume and page references and are separated by a comma if both are given. A period closes the complete documentary reference. Certain English and Latin abbreviations are quite often used in bibliographies and footnotes to eliminate tedious repetition. 8. Use of statistics, charts and graphs. A judicious use of statistics is good for the clarification and simplification of the material and research results. Statistics are usually presented in the form of tables, charts, bars, and line graphs and pictograms. Such presentation should be self-explanatory and complete in itself. It should be suitable and appropriate. Finally, statistical presentation should be neat and attractive. 9. The final draft. Revising and rewriting the rough draft of the report should be done with great care before writing the final draft. Sentences written in the report should be clear. They should be grammatically correct. They should say what is meant. Points incorporated in the report should fit together logically. 10. Bibliography. Bibliography should be prepared and appended to the research report as per standard and universally accepted style. 11. Preparation of the index. At the end of the report, an index should invariably be given. Index may be prepared both as subject index and as author index. The subject index gives the names of the subject topics or concepts along with the number of pages on which they have appeared in the report. Whereas the author index gives the similar information regarding the names of authors, the index should always be arranged alphabetically. Dear students, in this video, I had dealt with mechanics of report writing. Thank you.